Thank you so much for joining me this week. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my morning routine. I've tweaked it a little bit because I've just recently implemented a new routine called Flylady. It's created by the Flylady, but then there are a lot of other Flylady mentors out there. And so I follow Diane in Denmark. I recently started implementing them, and so they call the new people the Flylady. So I am officially now a Flylady. But anyway, the point is, by now you know how much I'm into organized living, and every time I learn something new I get so excited that I want to share with you guys. So I'm sharing with you guys. Most of the items are things that I do or I was doing already, but then it's just to hone into it and just make it even better. I've decided to go on and try the Flylady. The whole philosophy behind that is that you have to have routines, and what I like about it is that there's a lot of time within the day where you have self-care time, and I struggled a lot with that because almost everything that I do, I'm literally just chasing the time, and I get overwhelmed by trying to make everything perfect. But then these routines, they just slot in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes of self-care. And I mean, I like that. I have time to paint my nails, so it's a routine that if you're a working mom, you should definitely check them out. I'm going to leave a link to Diane in Denmark's page below, and you should totally follow her. So I'm just new into this, but then I'm going to be sharing with you the journey. So first of all, I wake up and I wash my face, and then I do my devotion, as you've already noticed, and then I go to the gym. I do my school run and then I go to the gym. Straight after gym, I come and take a shower and then straighten out and just clear up the whole house, whether it's the lounge and the kitchen, offloading the dishwasher. And because I leave a load of laundry going through early in the morning, I literally have to just quickly hang that out as soon as I come back. So after that, after I take a shower, the one thing that I'm now doing is I dress up every day just to be ready for whatever life could just throw at me. So I could go for meetings, I could go, I don't have to dress up because I'm going to do something. I'm already ready, and I've noticed that it saves a lot of time, especially because I work from home. I've been slacking a lot in that respect. And then, so during the afternoon, I already know, because I've already planned over the weekend what we're going to have. So I just have to check my menu plan to confirm what we're having. So what this does is that it takes away any anxiety that you might have in trying to figure out the simple tasks. Like if you just keep your sink clean at all times, you don't have clutter, you don't have stress. Make sure that if you have kids, you tell them to load the dishes in the dishwasher. Or if you don't have a dishwasher, wash the dishes as they come so that they don't fill up the sink and it's not a dreadful job to do. So I've just picked up that it's easier to do tasks as they come, and then to time tasks. So one of the things that I really like about it is that there's a timer for everything. You set a timer for 5 minutes to deal with a certain area in your home, 15 minutes to do a room rescue. I'm going to be sharing all that with you. I'm super excited to go through this journey with you. But not to get sidetracked, which I do get a lot, I would just like you to check out the morning routine, and I hope that it motivates you to get organized, and especially if you're working from home, it would be exactly as I'm doing it. But if not, try to do most of the tasks that I do this morning, try to do them in your evening routine so that you don't feel that much overwhelmed the following day. So I'm going to leave you guys here. I would love for you to be part of this family. So if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, and also like the video as well. And hit the notification bell, that little bell in the corner, so that you can get a notification every single time that I upload a video, which is every Thursday. I'm so glad that you could be here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.